Every day, millions of chocolate bars are enjoyed around the world. But have you ever wondered where they really come from?
Complete journey of chocolate, from fresh cocoa beans to the delicious bar in your hands. Every chocolate bar begins its journey on a cocoa farm. Only ripe cocoa pods are carefully harvested to ensure the best chocolate quality. Inside every cocoa pod are fresh beans that will become delicious chocolate. Fresh cocoa beans are now ready for fermentation, where chocolate flavor begins to develop. Fermentation is the first step that creates the rich chocolate flavor. The beans are turned regularly to ensure even fermentation. After fermentation, the beans are dried naturally under the sun. The dried cocoa beans are now ready for their journey to the chocolate factory. The cocoa beans have arrived at the chocolate factory. Each batch is unloaded and prepared for processing.
The beans are carefully cleaned before the next process begins.
Now the cocoa beans are clean and ready for roasting. The cocoa beans are roasted to bring out their rich chocolate flavor.
After roasting, the beans are cooled before the shells are removed.
The shells are carefully cracked to protect the valuable cocoa nibs inside.
Only the pure cocoa nibs continue to the chocolate-making process.
The cocoa nibs are ground into smooth cocoa liquor. This rich cocoa liquor becomes the heart of every chocolate bar.
The perfect blend of ingredients creates the chocolate mixture.
Now the chocolate mixture is ready for refining and conching.
The chocolate is refined to create a smooth and silky texture.
Conching gives chocolate its rich flavor and smooth finish.
Cocoa butter gives the chocolate its smooth texture and glossy finish.
The chocolate is now perfectly smooth and ready for tempering. The chocolate is tempered to give it a smooth finish and a perfect shine.
Each mold is filled with the perfect amount of chocolate.
Gentle vibration removes air bubbles for a smooth chocolate finish.
The chocolate is cooled until it becomes perfectly solid. The solid chocolate bars are carefully removed from their molds. Each chocolate bar receives its final decorative touch. Every chocolate bar is inspected to ensure perfect quality.
The finished chocolate bars are now ready for packaging.
Each chocolate bar is carefully wrapped to keep it fresh.
The packages are sealed to protect the chocolate until it reaches customers.
Every pack is labeled for complete product tracking.
Only perfectly packed chocolate bars move to the final stage.
The chocolate bars are packed into boxes and prepared for storage. The finished chocolate is safely stored until delivery.
Scan complete. Everything checks out.
All right, let's seal it up.
Subscribe for more real factory documentaries.